Hello. Hello. The date of this quick video is July 13th, 2022. And what you have before you here is a roof gutter leak screen installation project in process. I'm working on it, Melissa, and I'm doing this just for you because I said I wasn't going to do it. And you told me that you had never heard of anybody being compensated for this type of a project. But as you can see here, these are power lines that have to be carefully navigated. One coming from the auxiliary building there, and another one coming, this one right here at the top, is coming from the power pole over there. I've managed to get this far with the installation of the screen over the gutters. I bought God knows how many of these boxes, 5 feet screen, 36 inches long, 5 in a box. I think I bought 10 boxes to cover 150 feet of gutters. I'm taking my time. This is a one-man project, and once I get done, I'll do another video. But I'm satisfied with my progress, Melissa, and I think you will be proud of me and the work that I'm doing here. This is free labor. It's no hill for a stepper because I've been working free biggest of my life. Goodbye.